Coach, aside from inexperience, masasabi niyo po ba na baka masyadong maaga nag-peak or na-pressure po ba yung team?
Well, actually, we sat down with that issue, no? We talked to the players, even the coaches. Kasi nga, may tinitingnan namin kasi masyadong na umaga yung peak. And also, hindi namin alam kung hindi ba sanay yung mga players to in that kind of position. But again, hindi yun yung rason namin o alibay namin. That's why, but maybe may mga factors na nagkulang kami sa players. As a coach, maybe meron kami mga mistakes. But at the end of the day, we try to correct and resolve the kung may problema. And wala naman yung samahan naman ng mga players, relationship with the mga players to players and players to coach. Walang problema. This is the best namin itong season 87.
Coach, ano lang yung update so far kay Precious after yung...
Well, right now, wala pa kaming kasi nung pumasok kami doon, wala pa yung namin, yung doctor namin. So, hindi pa namin talaga alam kung ano yun. Hopefully, wala namang masyadong masamang nangyari kay Precious.
Coach, para mas umangat next season, continuity ba yung magiging pinaka-mantra nyo para, yun nga, hopefully mag-Final Four?
Well, siguro I would say this season tong na-experience namin will be a learning experience sa mga boys. Lagi ko sinasabi sa kanila, if you want to be in that position, kung tawagin ko yung mga elite teams, kailangan natin dumaan dun sa mga games like this. Kumbaga, hindi na dito yung factor yung magaling ka. Hindi na factor dito yung you're just a average player. At ang factor dito is kung sino yung may malaking puso, yung big heart. I think yun yung wala sa amin, yung big heart. Maybe by having this experience, hopefully by next year, ma-improve namin yun o ma-improve ng mga bata yun.
So personally, ano na lang yung mga next steps mo sa sarili mo moving forward kasi na yun nabanggit ni Jack, roller coaster of a season nito. And ano na yung maging next steps mo sa career mo moving forward?
Well, siguro kailangan pa rin namin mag-improve as a coach. Siguro kailangan ko rin sigurong mag-relax and sit down and then balikan yung mga nangyari, kung saan ba tayo nagkamali, kung saan tayo nagkulang. And I will take this opportunity siguro if you allow me. Especially yung may mga magagaling mag-comment sa social media that wala daw problema ang players. It's the coach who has the problem, the place, the rotation. Maybe sa place I will not agree on that because if you see Adamson or even UP, they never change their offensive, the offense. I mean, laging yun ang offense nila. It's a matter of execution. It's a matter of discipline.
Coach, before the season,
Sabi nila, the rotation. Maybe our rotation is not good because some of my players are not doing well. The players that I expected to step up, hindi nag-deliver. That's why nagkaroon ako ng problema. Inaamin ko nagkaroon kami ng problema sa rotation. Yeah.
Coach, sabi mo before the season, you had lofty expectations. You're good enough to make it to the Final Four. Obviously, fourth place playoff. But syempre disappointment ng dulo. But in the end, Coach, in hindsight, do you still view this season as a success?
Yeah, that's what I told the boys inside the dugout. Even though we fell short, this season is a big achievement for us already. Looking back on this season, before the season start, nobody, maybe even you guys, you didn't expect us to be here. Maybe some of you guys are counting us number 8. Maybe some of you guys are counting us number 7. But you never expected us. No one expected us to be here to have that first round, that 5-2. No one, nobody.